Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Lexus Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? Yes, it is another come thrifting with me, but today, okay, so like I kind of have a plan, but I also kind of don't have a plan. Also, I'm like, let me take a look at school supplies to see what kind of like school stuff they have. I don't know, it's gonna be all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy these kind of like openness thrifting videos. Having an open mind and kind of opening yourself to the thrifting gods will help you get some really awesome treasures and jams. Also, really like random, I don't even know if I can show you this, but I'm just too excited not to show you. Can you see? Can you see it? They are Doc Martens. I finally have black Doc Martens and I'm so excited. They were my sister's. Yes, they're a size 11 and I'm like, I'm a size 10, but I don't even care. Also, I forgot to mention, whenever you donate stuff to Savers, they give you a punch card that gives you 30% off. So I also have a 30% off everything little punch card. I'm gonna stop blabbling and take you guys along into thrift store. I want all the sweaters, but it's like 100 degrees. Kind of looks like throw up. Okay, so like this is cute, but it has like little sparkles on it. I keep finding Hawaii shirts. They have school supplies here, and like all three of these is only $1.99. I think I'm gonna thrift some school supplies. So I found quite a lot of stuff. This is definitely supposed to be a dress, but look at it as a kimono, like, oh. Okay, well, I got a lot, so I'm gonna head home and show you guys all the stuff I got. I got something that I'm gonna cut up, and I also got some school supplies, so let's go. All right, we are back, and I don't think you guys are prepared. Ugh. Everything in this video is from Savers, but on my way back home, I had sold some stuff at Plato's Closet and I happened to look through some of their clothes and I found this gem, which if you're following me on Instagram, which is Alexis Sunshine 83, then you've already seen this on my story. Oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. I'll get into the Savers stuff in like just a second. This was only $15, which is absolutely ridiculous, and it's a Harley Davidson jean jacket. It's kind of like a charcoal color, and on the back it says Love Ride 11 Harley Davidson of Glendale, November 13th, 1994, which 1994 was the year I was born, although my birthday is in August, so I was born at this point. And it is perfectly oversized by not making like my shoulders too broad, which is definitely an issue with jean jackets, but this one is so perfectly just like used in a way where now it's super comfy, and being only $15, it was, I'm obsessed. I just needed to throw that right in there to start this little thrift haul with a bang. The original plan was to do more of a thrift flip video, but it just got way out of hand because there's so much cute stuff. And then I found Savers secondhand school supplies, which was just absolutely amazing. I don't start back up with college until the end of August, but I do need some school supplies, so I figured I would start kind of the Savers haul with that. And like I said, I got 30% off everything in this, which is really, really cool. It was supposed to be altogether $32 and I got altogether for $22. I first just got a black notebook, plain Jane, super lame. It was 99 cents. I needed one, super, it's just small. We're gonna breeze through this school supplies. I then got some pencils because I do need pencils. Look at how many pencils there are. This was $2.99. They all say Ravenswood Education Foundation, Ooh, Ravenswood. Anyone a PLL fan and remember Ravenswood? I'm gonna need pencils, and I am totally that chick that goes to the first day of school without any pencils or any paper. To help that second part, I got paper. I got notebooks and stuff. This came with 3 different notebooks. I have like a yellow one. It only has like a couple writing. This just says Google. I don't know. For me, thrifting school supplies makes sense because like, I know that at the end of the year, I'm like, I don't really need any of this stuff and nothing's wrong with it. I'm just like, I don't know. That was the only piece of paper that they used. But I got all of these 3, which I got 175 college rule sheets, a wide ruled altogether for $1.99. Now for the fun stuff of clothes. Try on haul, yes. This first one, I went back and forth if I should get it, if I shouldn't get it, and I decided I should. I am not necessarily a vest person or like a flannel person really anymore. I used to be really into them. I just haven't been. And I saw this, and it is a kind of checkered plaid vest. It was only $5.99. I feel because I wear so many just plain black t-shirts that I could put it with it and it would make it seem a little bit more put together. Next, this shirt was only $1.49. And I don't know why I was so drawn to it. You're gonna see it and be like, Alexa, like really? It is just a shirt with some flowers, a butterfly, and a hummingbird. And I looked at it and I just felt peace. Even though I'm actually, random little fact, I'm actually terrified of butterflies. So I may crop it just so I can take away that stupid butterfly on it. It's a personal issue. This one is more a pajama shirt, but I will talk about it because it is really cute. And you know, I have a little warm place in my heart for anything Disney. This one was only $2.49, so like, how could I say no? And it is this purple. I know purple. I don't own anything purple. This is the only thing that I own that's purple. And I don't know how I feel about it. And it also has glitter on it. What? It's really like a bedtime shirt. I feel I can wear it when I do go to Disneyland because it's kind of cool with some like Doc Marten boots. It has Tinkerbell on it and it says magical wings are my favorite things. Amen, sister. This one, I think I am going to crop. It's like, it's hot, it's summer, and I bought a sweatshirt. I can't help myself. And it is this forest green sweatshirt, and it just says Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival. I don't even really like boats that much. I just thought it looked really cool. I really like the color. I thought it would be so cute when it does kind of going into fake SoCal winter. And with only being $3.49, like, as you guys saw when I was actually trying this on, I am amazed. This is like, it's so cute. It was $10.99. Different like patterns in this. I don't know why, but it's so cool. I love it. Drawn to it, I was feeling it, put it on. I'm looking at it as more of a kimono. I could make it into a dress, but I know I would wear it more as like a kimono, like jacket style thing. Even with the outfit that I'm wearing now, putting it on top of it, like with it, just completely elevates the outfit, and I can definitely see myself wearing this multiple times. It's got the polka dots, which you know I love. I love yellow. The 2 different patterns I think is just so cool. I don't know if somebody DIY'd that or if it's just how it came. I feel like I talked kind of fast in this video. I apologize if I did. I just didn't want this to be like 20 minutes. If you guys did enjoy this thrifting video and you would like to see more thrifting videos, make sure that you subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at AlexSunshine83. I put a video on IGTV on my Instagram. It is an updated room tour, so if you are curious about like my room and stuff, I do have a video up on there. I'll leave it linked right down below. But I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!